Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Gay Ki. In this video, we'll cover the most important daily February 2026 current affairs MCQs related to India, especially useful for all competitive. So watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. Species the Varanara. India's first zero fresh waste dump city is Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is C. Lucknow. Species the Varanaram. ICDEM 2026 is related to Species the Varan. The correct answer is B. Disaster management. Species the Varanaram. The military quantum mission is launched for Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is C. Defense technology. Species the Varanaram. Ursula von der Leyen is president of Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is D. European Commission. Species the Varanaram. Antonio Costa is associated with Species the Varanaram. Sir, correct answer is A. European Union. Species the Varanaram. European Union headquarters is located in Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is C. Brussels. Species the Varanaram. Karpoori Thakur was a famous leader from which state? Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is B. Bihar. Species the Varanaram. Karpoori Thakur was honored with Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is D. Bharat Ratna. Species the Varanaram. National Voters Day is celebrated on Species the Vara. Correct answer is C. 25 January. Species the Vara. National Voters Day is organized by Species the Varanaram. Correct answer is B. Election Commission of India. Species the Varanaram. Azista Space works in which sector? Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is B. Satellite manufacturing. Species the Vara. Satellite manufacturing mainly belongs to Species the Va. Correct answer is A. Space sector. Species the Varanaram. CDS stands for Species the Vara. Now correct answer is B. Chief of Defence Staff. Species the Varanaram. Who is India's CDS mentioned in current affairs? Species the Varanaram. Correct answer is C. Anil Chauhan. Species the Varanaram. HR Agrami Yojana is launched by which state? Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is B. Assam. Species the Varanaram. Kim Police recently received Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is B. President's police color. Species the Varanaram. Storm Fern affected mainly Species the Varanaram. The correct answer is D. USA. Species the Sanand industrial area is located in Species the correct answer is B. Gujarat. Species the Varana. Lucknow is the capital of Species the Varana. The correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Species the Varana. Which organization is responsible for conducting National Voters Day celebrations every year in India? Species the Varana. The correct answer is D. Election Commission of India. Species the Varana. Azista Space recently signed agreements with ISRO for manufacturing which of the following? Species the Varana. Comment your answer below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Master Gay Quiz. See you in the next video. Species the Varana.